The Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, under the Ministry of Interior, serves as the central government agency responsible for disaster prevention and mitigation in Thailand. It proactively drives disaster management aligned with national policies and development frameworks at all dimensions. The main regulation is the Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Act, BE 2550, 2007, which outlines mechanisms under the National Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Plan to ensure the country's capacity to deliver an effective national disaster management system to achieve the overarching objective of creating long-term sustainable safety in disaster management. DDPM organizes its operations across all missions, including central and regional units, 18 regional disaster prevention and mitigation centers, 76 provincial DDPM offices, and 30 branch offices in 16 provinces. The department is staffed with experts across various fields, stationed nationwide. It also oversees the maintenance of disaster response equipment and machinery across 18 regional centers to ensure swift and effective relief during emergencies. DDPM's mission encompasses into three major components. Policy component: act as the national agency to formulate master plans, developing systems, and setting national standards and measures for disaster prevention and mitigation. Command component: supervising, directing, and coordinating disaster management operations to ensure systematic and efficient responses. Operational component: acting as the first responder to provide disaster relief efforts nationwide, equipped with skilled personnel and specialized equipment and tools. As a result of this, DDPM has played the important role to promote all the activities under Strategic Plan BE 2564 through 2570, guided by the vision to become a modern and highly efficient national disaster prevention and mitigation agency. The organizational values are encapsulated in the acronym DDPM, promoting unity and shared goals within the DDPM family to ensure country safeness. The Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation adopts a holistic approach to disaster management, guided by the disaster cycle before, during, and after an event. This strategy aims to enhance Thailand's preparedness and capacity to respond effectively to all types of disasters. The overarching goal is to build a nation that is safe, secure, and resilient. To reinforce preventive disaster mechanisms, DDPM focuses on proactive measures that reduce risks and mitigate potential impacts before disasters occur. Integrating technology and innovation, DDPM has developed an efficient and accurate early warning system that can disseminate the message to the public. It has also established community-based disaster risk management to enhance preparedness and resilience for the nations. Meanwhile, DDPM enhances the personnel development, such as Emergency Response Team and Urban Search and Rescue Team, USAR Team, while also expanding the capacity of volunteer networks to effectively support disaster management operations under unified standard and manner. To integrate the unified emergency management, DDPM establishes measures for emergency response and management under an incident command system. It designates organizational capable of coping with all types of disasters and able to coordinate with all stakeholders to conduct rapid and comprehensive emergency operations and assist affected individuals across all areas. This ensures cohesive disaster management and provides the highest level of safety and care for the public. Elevating the country's disaster management to international standards, Thailand drives mechanisms for disaster risk reduction through regional and global partnerships in disaster management. It also enhances unified coordination of humanitarian assistance to strengthen Thailand's capacity
to manage disasters in accordance with international frameworks. Furthermore, it promotes Thailand's key role as one of the leading countries in disaster risk reduction. DDPM is dedicated to developing and implementing a national disaster management system that is adaptable across all dimensions. Its goal is to elevate people's quality of life and foster a society that builds superior safety, ultimately guiding Thailand toward becoming a disaster-resilient nation with sustainable safety. Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, Ministry of Interior. Proactively prevent disasters and provide relief when they occur. Hotline 1784.